we will see the shots that came out of Enscape and see its quality. This is the first scene for the swimming pool. The second scene, its picture looks like this. So there is something in the scene, we need to adjust it. After that, which is the front facade scene, we will notice that the camera is a little farther away. We can fix it. Daylighting also is very high, so we can change the intensity of sunlight. We will find that this scene has pretty reasonable lighting, as well as this scene. When you divide the screen with SketchUp and Enscape like this, we will find that a scene like Pool 1 is okay, then Pool 2 scene not appear good in Enscape. So when we move to this scene, we will find the difference in Enscape. So it's preferable that we review all the scenes before we render them with batch rendering, because it takes time, also when the shots with a large resolution. So in this scene, we will zoom in to fix its view, adjust its frame, and when we maximize an Enscape window, we will notice that the scene seems like this. Then we will try again to export the scene. We will choose Save Screenshot, then click on Save. This is the scene that we have reviewed. The result is pretty good. Of course, through your practice and training, you can produce better scenes than this.